So the easiest way I remembered how to turn off that buzzer was just to go into the config settings, and let's see, I believe it was under device. Of course, I had a hard time finding it. All right, so under module configuration, you have to go all the way down to module configuration, and you have external notification. That's where I found this thing. So you have an alert message LED, alert message buzzer, alert message, I guess that's vibrate. I turned it all off, okay? You could probably do the vibration part of it if you wanted, but I can tell you at Hamvention it gets really annoying when you leave that on. It's pretty loud. Oh, I didn't realize you can select ringtones, I guess. Okay, cool. All right, well, the firmware keeps changing, so there's like new features being added all the time. So this one has newer firmware than my original T1000. But there you go. That is how you turn the buzzer off.